Hi friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, delicious goat curry, which you can easily put together in little time. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my version of goat curry, which everyone's going to love. So before we jump right into the recipe, please take a moment and subscribe and also follow and like. So friends, first thing first, before we go right into the recipe, you want to go ahead and thoroughly clean your meat. A bit of vinegar, salt, and lemon. So friends, when it comes to cleaning your meat, this process is highly recommended, which will ensure great taste and flavor. So friends, after adding your ingredients, you want to give it a good rub or mix and then set aside for 20 or 30 minutes. So friends, after 30 minutes, I went ahead and washed thoroughly. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my ingredients. So friends, when it comes to goat curry, your ingredients makes a big difference. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use after blending. Do keep in mind I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below, so you can always check it out. So friends, for marinating, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. A combination of spices, curry powder, and garlic, and also fresh Caribbean blend green seasoning. So when it comes to taste and flavor, your green seasoning makes a big difference. Do keep in mind you can also prep your ingredients overnight for better taste and result. So friends, here we are after marinating and set aside. Next, in a heated pot, I'm just going to go ahead and add some oil, chopped garlic, so friends, after adding your garlic, next you want to go right ahead and add your meat and let's stir fry for 10 minutes. So friends, here we are. Looks amazing. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add 1 cup of warm water and repeat the same process throughout cooking. Next friend, which is totally optional, 1 potato, chopped into small desired pieces. Here we are. Looks amazing. Absolutely delicious. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my fresh chopped potato, a bit of Caribbean blend green seasoning, and also chopped veggies, and a bit of water, and finish it off. So friends, I hope you give this delicious recipe a try, and also feel free to leave any message or comments you may have below. And be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. This area looks absolutely delicious, a perfect recipe for any special occasion. Delicious goat curry, Guyanese style. Thanks for watching. Until next time.